Hi there, this is Manny, the founder of Blue, and today I want to introduce to you a new custom field called Time in List. So let's check this out. I've got a test CRM set up here with my pipeline and a couple of deals. I can click on one, and it would be great to know how long this deal has actually been in the project, and also how long it stays in each part of the pipeline, from unqualified projects to underqualifications and so on. And this is exactly what the new custom field does. So we can go to Manage Fields, Add Field, and then this is a default field which is hidden, but it is a default field in the project. We can click on it, Time in List. We can add that in, and then we're going to drag that to the top. So now we can see that we've got this new field here. It's called Time in List. It's currently been in the project 22 days, this deal. It's spent 22 days and 20 hours in unqualified projects, 3 minutes under qualifications, and then you can see that I can move it to preparing proposal or even proposal sent. And if I click on it, you can see that it's spent 1 second in proposal sent and 10 seconds under preparing proposal. So that's how the field works, but there's one more trick we have. As a project administrator, you can go to Project Settings, Manage, Record Settings, and then you can click on these two options to actually show how long the record has been in the current project and also in the current list. So I'll hit Update, and now you can see that this record has spent 40 seconds in proposal sent and 22 days and 20 hours in the project, which is a great way to see how long something has been in a specific list. So I hope this is really useful to track your various processes, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thank you very much, and have a great day.